Today, we're talking about plants that add instant curb appeal when selling your home. If you don't know what curb appeal is, it's when your home is appealing from the curb. Start with evergreens to give structure to your yard. Boxwoods are actually a great foundational plant to build off of, and they come in many sizes. Next, add in Nandina for 4-season curb appeal in most regions. It's a tiny little shrub that has white flowers in the spring, red berries in the fall, and the leaves themselves actually change color. Best part is, unlike my friendships, they're low maintenance. If you're someone who has trouble covering their foundation, one of the best ways to go is hydrangeas. They're easy to grow, they need little care, and they have huge flowers when they bloom. Azaleas are my spirit animal plant because they're petite, they love color, and they demand attention. They should be placed around mailboxes or walkways so they can be seen. They come in a wide variety of colors, sizes, and personalities. The last plant is Hosta, and girl, does she love shade. They have huge green leaves, and they're great for covering bare spots underneath a big tree. Pro tip, for the best curb appeal, add in annuals and potted plants. Bernice is wasted. This is Beginning House with Paul. Cheers.